Humans swipe shiny card like they magic chief. Swipe at coffee hot, swipe at
Gurucha,
big glowing
make happy.
Amazon cave, swipe even for pizza that tastes like sadness. Brain tricked, feel like fire free, but not free. Behind card live monster called interest. In America land, monster bite hard, 20% or more every moon cycle. That mean you buy $10 cheeseburger, monster turn into $20 regret. You expect card to give freedom. Instead, card give debt chain. Many humans in US still pay for college
Free
t-shirt they
t-shirt.
get free in 1990 because card company trapped them. Sign up, get free cloth. Basically, you know eat pizza, pizza eat you. You think one late payment small thing. Oh, me forget $50 bill, no big deal. Rome, bank mammoths smell weakness. Interest stomp you, late fee bite you. Credit score fall into tar pit. In America, score not just number. Score decide if you get cave to live in, chariot to drive, even job in shiny office cave. Miss one payment, mammoth chase you for years. You run, but mammoth follow every month with new charges. Humans call it compounding interest. Gurucha call it snowball of doom rolling downhill while you sleep. Basically, you think you master card, but card master you. Like caveman tied to giant rock. Caveman hear humans say, keep small balance,
is
it
a
makes
lie.
score strong. Ha! Big lie. Score no like balance. Score like full payment. Another myth. Close old card helps score. Rome. Closing old card is like burning long spear. You lose history, you look weak. Truth is simple. Card companies want you confused. They want you believe lies so you pay interest forever. But real magic rule,
The
keep
rule
balance
of
under 30%
30%.
of card limit. Use card like spear, light, sharp, and only when needed. So remember, carrying balance make banks fat and you broke. Basically, myth equals brain poison. Okay, Gurucha reveal holy fire secret. 3 rules only. 1. Always pay full balance every moon. 2. Never let balance grow more than 30% of what card allow. 3. Never miss due date or score spirit smash you. Do these. Settling card not monster. Card become magic tool. Humans in America use it to get free trips on flying metal bird, shiny cashback on groceries, even protection when merchant try to cheat. Fun fact, biggest chunk of your FICO score, 35%, come from paying on time. Basically, pay on time equals score God smile, give you blessing. So yes, card can destroy you or make you travel to Hawaii for free. Choice is yours, little cave human.
See?
Credit card
Tool
not evil,
or trap.
not angel.
It is
just
all
sharp
how
rock.
you use
If you
it.
know how, you cut meat. If you don't, you cut hand. In America, credit score is survival rating. Treat card smart. You rent cave easy. Buy chariot cheap. Even get job. Treat card dumb. You stuck in debt tar pit. So when you swipe, no think free fire. Think, am I master of credit card or credit card master of me? That all. Me make more soon. You subscribe or me sad. Gurucha vanish now. Poof.